based on deep learning image classification named plant disease classification. First of all, we have mounted the Google Drive for dataset. Then we imported the library required. Then we defined the disease type and data directory. Then we define a training directory and join the data to it, and then print it. Then we have randomized the order of training set and print it. Then we have plotted the histogram based on the data set, and then we display the image of different spaces like that. Then we define the image size and define two functions named reading image and one of resizing image, and then we created the X train and Y train. Then we splitted the data set into training data set, testing data set, and then we plotted the data set. After that, we have built the model DenseNet with a different type of layers, and we compile the model with the use of categorical cross entropy loss function, Adam optimizer, and accuracy as a matrix. Then we call the DenseNet model function and created a checkpoint and use the image data generator to fit the data set and train it and on 15 epochs. We also added the Keras callbacks. Then we evaluated the final loss and final accuracy, and then we saved the model for future use. Then we created the dataset and plotted as a then we plotted the accuracy plot and the loss plot as a graph. Then we tested the custom image. And the final output that model gives